Welcome to West Texas Droning, episode number 41, a trip to New Mexico. So we left the bounds of West Texas for a change of scenery and ended up Santa Fe and Taos, New Mexico. We shot some videos, thought you might like to see it, so here we go. This little parking area next to the highway is real popular for fishers, people swimming, kayaking, boating. It's a really pretty place right along the highway. Unfortunately, you get the noise and the distraction of the highway, but it's the only way to get to the river. It was a lovely day. Temperature in the 60s, visibility unlimited, light winds, and just a real pretty day to fly. I hope you enjoy the trip. This is the Rio Grande River in between Santa Fe and Taos. Actually, we're probably about 15-20 miles south of Taos. And as we said, we pulled off on this park road, parked the vehicle, and made the trip. It's a beautiful time of year. Kind of late fall for New Mexico, but some of the trees were slow in turning, so we caught some of them, and they really made a beautiful sight. would have liked to have just kept on flying down around the bend there, but you know, we have visual line of sight restrictions, so could only go so far, and then I had to turn around and come back. So we're gonna head back to the parking lot and we'll do a little return to home. And in the meantime, enjoy the scenery. It's really pretty. And so we come down to the landing pad, and as usual, the Air 3 finds its way home safe and sound and right on the money. And I like this little drone. Well, I hope you enjoyed the trip and the scenery and the music. We thank you for stopping by. We're going to have an episode in a couple days about some of the pitfalls and how to avoid those pitfalls of flying in this area of New Mexico. Some pretty important stuff, maybe a little controversial, but probably would be interested in knowing about it. In the meantime, please like, comment, share, subscribe. We appreciate you stopping by. God bless. Come back and see us real soon.